So you can probably tell by the title, I am moved out. This is my first apartment. I'm moving out with my boyfriend Dylan. We've been together for almost 6 years now, which is crazy. I think a lot of my followers think that I'm older than I actually am, but I am 22 and I just graduated college. Also, I look totally busted right now because I just woke up and it's moving day, so don't judge, but I'm here. But anyways, while I'm here to clean it, I wanted to just do an empty apartment walkthrough to show you guys kind of what I'm working with and to get excited with me because of all the DIY possibilities for this space. I can't wait to DIY this whole apartment. This is gonna be like the best thing, not only for my like personal mental health, but also for like my followers, because I know a lot of my followers are renting and I get requests all the time for renter friendly things. I've always been someone who wants my own space. I want to be out on my own and have control over my surroundings. I'm just really excited to have a space that I own that I can continually do projects for and not have to like barge into other people's homes and ask to help renovate. Also, if anyone is wondering, I am still in New Hampshire. I love New Hampshire. I don't know what the future holds for us, but I'm definitely a mountain girl, so we are here. It's not like your typical grand space that you see other influencers living in, but it's pretty big to me. It's more than I had originally expected. We got really lucky with this one. And I also just want to say that I definitely wouldn't have been able to be here if it wasn't for you guys supporting my content. So this is definitely a blessing to me that I didn't expect to have. I don't think I forgot to say anything, but if I do, I'll add it in later, I guess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Let's go look. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you walk in. It's got like a hallway to the left and then this big open room right here. I love these windows. We are really excited about these windows because they have like those lower ledges for our kitten so she can hang out on them. And then this is what the ceiling looks like. It's definitely my favorite part. I really wanted high ceilings because we're gonna be spending a lot of time in here in quarantine and working from home, so I wanted to not feel like I was caged in. And then this is probably gonna be the TV wall. And there's a little like loft space right up there, and I'm not gonna climb up there right now, but I'll insert a video of it. Basically, they said that we could use it for storage, but I plan on making it like a little tiny guest area or like a reading nook. And then this is the kitchen. I plan on doing something very extravagant with this window bar scenario, so stay tuned for that. This way is the kitchen. And honestly, this pantry I'm really excited about because the last pantry that I've had to deal with was at college and I got one shelf for myself, so I think this is definitely enough space for Dylan and I. The flooring is definitely something that I will want to address as a DIY in the future, but the kitchen is pretty spacious for just 2 people, I think. And I've already ordered new hardware. You know how I am, I can't with this elementary school vibes. This is what the kitchen currently looks like. Honestly, I love that it's like a blank canvas that I can just do whatever I want to. And then you can see through the kitchen to the living area. That's probably the wall where I'm gonna put like a couch and everything. And so this is what it looks like. And when this isn't in use, it could totally like have blankets on it or something fun like that. And then there's this coat closet in the living area. It's just like your typical standard coat closet. So down the hallway, there's just like a plethora of closets, like so much closet space. I'm so excited about it. So they're all just like these standard closets. They've got a little half shelf thing there. This one's like a double. So it has like the shelves on one side and then the hanging on the other. And this last one is like linen closet style. And then this is the bathroom. So the bathroom needs a little bit of help. She's a little bit dated, but I'm really excited. I love that it's a blank canvas, so I can do a lot of different things with it. And I think these light bulbs are actually kind of fun. But this is what the sink looks like. And then there's like a little medicine cabinet for some toiletries. So this is the master bedroom. There's no overhead lighting in here, so I'm gonna have to find a bunch of fun lighting solutions. It's a little bit dim at the moment, but this is what it looks like. There's a leaf. Again, the windows that we love for our kitten with the nice New Hampshire trees out front. And then this is what the ceiling looks like. It's just so cool. Like, I just love exposed ceilings so much. And then we already have the mattress in here because I'm about to open it after I film this. And then there's these 2 closets here. So it's bigger than the closet I've already got at home. So I just really love like the architecture that I have to work with. And then the last room is this little office. So we were actually able to get a 2-bedroom. So we're using this as an office space because we're both working from home. So to have an office would be really nice. Again, it's kind of dark in here right now, but it won't be in the future. So this is just what it looks like. It's got another closet where we can put DIY supplies and stuff like that. And yeah, walking back out to the living area. I love these like track lights. I feel like I'm in some sort of art gallery. It's so fun. But yeah, that is what our apartment looks like. So that is all for right now. That's all I have to show, but I'm going to go deep clean some more. If you guys are interested in seeing some renter-friendly content, then make sure to subscribe because there's gonna be a lot of it coming on all of my socials. And I'm so excited to show you guys some more content more often because I don't have to barge into people's homes to make content. If you're interested in being a part of the videos for TikTok and Instagram designs, make sure to tag me or DM me and all that jazz. And just thank you. I don't know what else to say, but thank you.